Hey fellow drummers, Jake Burton here, and quick little tip for you. If you got, let me get this to focus. If you got a cymbal stand with some messed up threads, go to Harbor Freight, get one of these guys, a little metric tap and die set. And the size you're gonna need is, focus, well, I'll read it to you. M8 1.25, I don't know if you can see that. There it is, M8 1.25. All you do is you pop it into this little holder here, put it on your threads, and you just spin it down. I've already done this one. If it's really bad, you can put a little bit of oil on there, like cutting oil, but any kind of oil will work. And you just spin it back and forth and it recuts your threads for you. And that's an awesome way to clean up your threads on your cymbal stands. Have a good day.